Do you enjoy going to concerts? Do you enjoy going to concerts?
I am not really interested in going to concerts. I am not really interested in going to concerts.
Where is the library? Where is the library?
The library is near the school. The library is near the school.
Do you have breakfast? Do you have breakfast?
I have a light breakfast. I have a light breakfast.
Are you a teacher? Are you a teacher?
No, I am not a teacher. No, I am not a teacher.
Where is the nearest restaurant? Where is the nearest restaurant?
There's one right beside the library. There's one right beside the library.
Do you like drawing? Do you like drawing?
Yes, I love drawing. Yes, I love drawing.
Can you speak Spanish? Can you speak Spanish?
No, I don't speak Spanish. No, I don't speak Spanish.
Is it your pen? Is it your pen?
Yes, that's my pen. Yes, that's my pen.
Do you eat meat? Do you eat meat?
No, I don't eat meat. No, I don't eat meat.